adventurous night for the Ron Man.
Dude, go choke on a slide ruler.
So what happened last night?
I went partying with 3 girls. The only problem is I don't remember their names. But, not like I can do them for their names anyway.
You know, Ron, the jaws of karma could take a big bite of your ass one day.
Well, then it looks like you better kiss it before that happens.
I tell you what, no. Anyway, today's the big day.
The big day for what?
Remember that project I was working on?
Oh, you mean the Make Austin Exciting project? Let me guess. It failed.
No, you a-hole, the gender-changing pill. I made the pill.
Do you know what this means? This means we can give this pill to the whole Chinese army and turn all those dudes into chicks. Oh my god, happy endings for everybody.
Ron, you are a moron, and you probably got a moron.
Whatever, man. I have a headache.
Got the outcomes right here.
Thanks.
Oh man, I'm gonna be late. Right, Ron, where's the pill?
What pill?
The gender-changing pill?
Here you go, mad scientist.
Thanks. Wish me luck.
I wish you get a life.
Oh yeah, don't forget.
Forget about what?
The Christmas party.
Oh, yeah, I'll be there.
All right. No. Men are better. Women are inferior.
Hey, is that a mirror in your pocket? Because I could see myself in your pants.
Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna kill you, Austin! What? Ah! What the? Ah!
Who the hell are you?
I'm your roommate, damn it!
Ron?
Yeah. What the hell did you do to me?
Took the pill.
What pill?
The gender-changing pill. I show up to work, present the pill to my boss, and I handed him an aspirin. I am not having a good day.
You're not having a good day? Look at me, Austin!
There's at least one good thing that came out of this.
Oh yeah, what?
You look hot.
You need to fix this, Austin!
I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
The pill is experimental.
Well, the experiment worked, okay? So just give me another pill and turn me back.
It's not that easy. You have to take tests.
Tests? I was never good at tests.
Somehow I don't doubt that. But look, if you took another one, it could either turn you into half and half or even worse, dead.
Well, how the hell am I supposed to live my life like this? I mean, I've got a career to worry about.
Oh, shut up. You don't even have a job.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
Why are you crying?
I don't know.
This is what we'll do, okay? You don't have a job, so you can just lay low until we'll find a way to fix this.
You promise?
I promise.
Morning.
Morning. Hey, thanks for putting the toilet seat back up. Rudeness. Rhonda, I need to pee.
You can't use the restroom.
Come on, what's going on in there?
I'm bleeding.
You cut yourself? Where?
No, I'm bleeding.
What do you mean you're bleeding? Oh, you're bleeding. Ah. Okay.
When does it stop?
When you turn 60, I think.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna need a favor.
Oh, no. No.
Please, Austin. Come on, please.
You can't send a man to do a woman's job. Rhonda, I got him.
Did you get the right ones?
Scented with wings, yes. Hey, so when can I get my dignity back?
When I turn 60, I think.
Merry Christmas!
Oh shit, I forgot about the Christmas party.
Oh my God, what are we gonna do?
Let's not let them in.
I already saw us, Austin. Open the door.
Oh, we had some unwrapped gifts, folks, to come on in.
Who is this and where's Ron?
Oh, that's Ron's sister, Rhonda.
Ron never told me he had a sister.
Yes, I'm his twin sister, Rhonda.
Oh.
Yeah, well, you see what happened was Ron had to go see his parents, and they sent her instead. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I mean, cookies and stuff, yeah, totally.
So, Rhonda, can you please join me in the kitchen?
For what? I don't cook. You're the one who chefs it up in there.
So adorable, isn't she? Kind of makes you want to push in front of oncoming traffic.
Funny, she sounds just like Ron.
Yeah.
Dude, what the hell's your problem?
You are a chick, not a dude.
But I'm still the same.
Yeah, you're still the same, minus the penis.
Just chill.
Hey, Rhonda. What's up?
Hey. So, you like my brother, huh?
Yeah, he's hot.
Really?
Yeah. Whoa! What are you doing?
Well, I don't know. I thought that was going to be kind of kinky, but that just felt weird.
Yeah, I'm gonna go home now.
Extra absorbent.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just working on the formula for the pill.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, going through my notes. Don't worry, I'll get it done. And you can return to your normal life.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you're beautiful.
What were you saying?
Oh, nothing. I've got some.
late.
Oh, yeah, I was working at the lab. Kind of got something for you.
The pill?
Yeah, take this and tomorrow you'll be back to normal.
Okay.
Rhonda, I'll be leaving. I'll be taking the train in the morning.
Why?
Well, things have gotten kind of complicated. It would feel weird if you seeing you back as Ron again.
I think I understand.
Bye, Rhonda.
Goodbye, Austin.
By the way, you could have my dignity. I wouldn't want to lose it to anyone else.
You didn't leave.
No, I didn't.
Why not?
Well, whether you're Ron or Rhonda, you're still my best friend. And you can't just leave a best friend like that. You didn't take the pill.
No, I didn't.
Why not?
I don't know. I guess I kind of like being this way. And I like you even better this way.
So what do we do?
I don't know. Well, we like watching movies together. Why don't we start from there?
I can do that.
Now is when you kiss me, Austin.
Oh yeah. All right. It's over.
Yeah, it's over.
I hate it when you do that.